Hey guys, Adam from POTN here. Today we're looking at the Brembo Sport range, part of the Brembo upgrade division, which includes their big brake kits, their pista range, and the Brembo Sport pads and discs. Really cool product. It really is out there for the kind of more enthusiast of the car world. This is far up and beyond from the aftermarket Brembo that you see and the OE Brembo. So it's not something that you're generally going to be getting at your local motor factor and stuff like that. It's a step up above that. It's for someone wanting much more out of their brakes, not just a cheap alternative. This is someone looking for a bit more quality and a little bit more response in their product, and much more kind of confidence in their braking. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at the TY3 discs first, because they're big, they're bold, and I really want to show them, and then we'll take a look at the HP 2000 pads, which is the pad option in this kit. So the disc that you get in the Brembo Sport range is the TY3 disc from Brembo. It really is a lovely piece of kit. I really like the look of the disc, I really like the pattern, and I like the way you get a nice long curve and you get the shorter curve there as well. It's not really a design that you see on many other brands, and it kind of gives it its own unique look, and you can clearly see it's Brembo from when you're looking at the side of the car, especially because Brembo have stamped their logo on the disc. Now, I've not seen this from any other manufacturer. I really love it, and I think it looks really good as well. It still offers that kind of performance benefits as well. It's still got the groove inlet there, but the Brembo logo itself really kind of stamps and shows you that the quality is good and going to give you a lot more confidence. Now, Brembo come up with the TY3 disc, taking a lot of knowledge and research from their motorsport divisions and stuff that they're using on rally cars and a lot of track, endurance championship, and the countless other competition uses that Brembo are involved in. And what they've done is provided an application that's perfect for a fast road use, and use that research and their knowledge to give you a real good compounded disc, and is going to last you really well in fast road use and maybe even a bit of light track use as well. So this is the TY3 disc. It comes really well packaged, so you know when it arrives on your doorstep it's still going to be in pristine condition. It comes with some nice foam inlays, and it's really keeping it well protected, so in transport you're not going to have any issues. Means when that disc arrives at your front door or to your garage or to your mechanics, it's going to be ready to go on the car. Now, it's all using original sizes and dimensions. It's designed to work with your original caliper setup, which means you haven't got to mess around by spacing out any kind of kit or work out anything. It's just a replacement in terms of fitting, but what you're getting in return is a much more improved compound, and the design of the disc is going to give you so much more performance, giving you so much more confidence on the road there. So really designed well, and with people in mind, with just as car enthusiasts or someone with a high performance car that's just looking to stop well on the road and maybe drive in with a bit of a heavy foot on those country roads. The TY3 disc really is going to be the disc for you, and it's going to partner up really well with the HP 2000 pads or the HP 2 pads that Brembo provide as well, which we'll talk about now. So in the Brembo Sport range, you get the TY3 disc that we just talked about, but you also get the HP 2000 or the HP 2 brake pads from Brembo. Again, this is not the aftermarket pad. This is from their upgrade range. It really is suited for someone that's looking for much more than an OE replacement or a cheap alternative from a motor factor. This is for someone that's looking for much more superior braking on the road, someone who's got a fast road setup perhaps, someone with a big family goer that's looking for more confidence in their braking, or someone who just drives quite fast on the B roads. It really is a good pad for you. It's got a really good bite from cold, and it really does have a nice friction durability as well, so it means you're going through those heat ranges. It really is going to provide you a nice stable braking throughout there, and a nice linear curve of performance to braking range. So good pad for you. It comes really well packaged, again as an axle set like we do with the discs if you buy from Brembo Sport Shop. The pads will come as the axle set, so everything will come that you need. Now, the good thing about the Brembo pads is it is all designed to work as OE intended. So in terms of your caliper, you haven't got to touch it, and the same with the discs. They're just going to go on as a replacement, meaning that you haven't got to worry about kind of any other caliper changes. You haven't got to worry about what disc it's going to go for. It will work with your OE setup, making it nice and easy. But the benefit is you're getting a much more superior compound and performance pad, which means that your braking is going to change very quickly, and it also means you're going to have a lot more confidence on the road as well. So that is the Brembo Sport range from ourselves. So you've got the Brembo TY3 discs and you've got the Brembo HP 2000 pads here. Today we were looking at the rear and front of a BMW M140i, which is soon going on to one of the members of staff's car, but we thought we'd put them to one side and show you what you're getting. Now, if you do have any questions, please do drop a comment on our YouTube channel. We really do enjoy doing these videos, and if there's anything you want to know, we really are here to help. Or you can head over to our Instagram, Facebook, just search Performance on the Net. We have many different websites, and Brembo Sport Shop is one of them. So we have a whole host of knowledge and years under our belt, and we're happy to give you any advice that you may need. Check out the Brembo Sport Shop. Do consider the Brembo pads on your next brake purchase, and let us know what you think.